What lovely. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And I know काफी दिनों से absent था. Well, not काफी दिनों, but 2 दिन से absent था. But that's because I've just been enjoying so much fun with the family over here in Bombay. And yes, today is an interesting day because आपने टाइटल में पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं IKEA. So IKEA पहले हैदराबाद में था, अब बॉम्बे में आया हुआ है. So a lot of people who are obviously from Bombay, they already know and have probably been there. But the ones who haven't, especially like me from Delhi, I definitely wanted to check it out because Rohini and I, we want to actually decorate our house, like, you know, redecorate or well decorate, you know, with couple of things which we think are very nice at IKEA. So आज जाकर के we will select some pieces which if we find is nice, and we'll also give you guys a very nice tour of what IKEA has. So by the way, let me first introduce everybody because we're not alone. We have mom and of course Rohini is also there. Hello, itna thanda hai?
Hello, sorry. No, I was just thinking of informing them something as well. So in case someone happens to come to Bombay IKEA, you guys have to take an appointment online before you go. So this is some information I think you must give your subscribers.
नहीं इन्फॉर्मेशन तो हम दे देते हैं. हम लोगों ने भी 12 बजे की अपॉइंटमेंट लिए, मगर इट्स 1:20 राइट नाउ.
2 बजे की भी लिए मैंने.
अच्छा, you played it safe.
Yes.
अच्छा भाई, मेरे दिमाग नहीं चलता इतना. Since everybody is from Bombay, ठीक है, some words जो बॉम्बे वाले हैं, जैसे मेरे को कुछ पता है, जैसे बिंदास, ठीक है, मगजमारी, ऐसे कोई अनोखे वर्ड्स. खोपचा पता है, ठीक है. खोपचा मतलब कॉर्नर हो गया ना. कॉर्नर हो गया, ठीक है. बाजू
में.
हाँ, ठीक है.
और रंजीत से पूछिए.
रंजीत भैया कोई बताओ महाराष्ट्रियन शब्द ऐसे बॉम्बे के जो दिल्ली में नहीं होंगे. ऐसे ही जैसे होता है मगजमारी हो गया, जो महाराष्ट्रियन लोग बोलते हैं. What lovely. I like what lovely. That's my favorite. कुछ भी बहुत खाना खा लिया. What lovely. So guys, there's an interesting fact. My mother-in-law loves pawai. Okay. तो mom.
You don't know why.
नहीं, तो mom बताएंगे ना. Mom exactly बताओ why.
Powai is a very nice place. It's made very well. It's not like Bombay. Being in Bombay, it's not like Bombay. The roads are big, the footpaths are big.
Infrastructure.
The infrastructure is very good. Then the lake. But
ये lake.
This is the Powai lake.
Oh, this is the guys. जो लोग नहीं आए हैं कभी, check out Powai Lake. Actually, it looks very nice. Huh? Very nice and green actually.
Yeah.
Powai. See, it makes sense. पता है मॉम, ऐसी चीज़ें ना आपको दिल्ली में भी दिखेंगी. तो मैं तो कहता हूँ आप दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो जाओ. बट दिस लुक्स वेरी नाइस गाइस, पवाई. और यहाँ पे हमारा प्लान ये है कि अगर टाइम मिल जाएगा तो फिर वापस आकर के यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. मॉम नेम क्या है कॉफ़ी शॉप का?
बहुत सारे इंडिगो है, स्टारबक्स में. हमारी
नहीं, स्टारबक्स नहीं जाएंगे. स्टारबक्स
इंडिगो बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ.
इतनी गर्मी है ना, ठीक है. मेरा इस पूरे ट्रिप में हमने स्टारबक्स पिया ही नहीं है. सिर्फ
क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी है, मन ही नहीं करता है कुछ गर्म पीने का. यू वांट टू हैव समथिंग लाइक चिल. बट स्टारबक्स नहीं जाएंगे. इंडिगो में जाके अच्छा चिल कॉफी पिएंगे.
बट टेक्निकली हम इस ट्रिप में उतरते के साथ ही हमने स्टारबक्स पिया है.
दैट्स या.
So guys, there's so much stuff around here. We've just been like roaming around and just checking out a couple of things. Rohini is going mad and she's just picking up कि ये भी ले लो, वो भी ले लो, वो भी ले लो. The prices are generally quite good, and I'm not joking guys. ऐसा लगेगा कि prices की वजह से material is not good. There are certain things which have a little bit of like, you know, they don't feel as premium as they should. But yes, most of the stuff I can definitely vouch for. It is definitely so good. So we're just exploring. Let's see some more. So guys, the cool part is that, you know, they have these sections that are made that look like part of the room. तो इसमें आप जाकर के कोई सा भी चीज़, जैसे आपको एक चीज़ पसंद अगर आ रही है तो इसमें डायरेक्टली जाकर के आप इसका नेम नंबर नोट कर सकते हो, आपको उठाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ से, एंड यू कैन जस्ट गेट इट फ्रॉम द एरिया फ्रॉम ओवर देयर, एंड इट्स क्वाइट गुड, यू नो, पूरा आइडिया अगर आपको आ जाता है कि क्या क्या चीज़ें आप उठा सकते हो यहाँ से, आपको पूरा एक वो डिस्प्ले में दिखा देंगे, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड वे ऑफ सेलिंग समथिंग आउट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम क्या होता है कि आपको आइडिया नहीं आता कि क्या चीज़ चाहिए होती है, एंड यहाँ पे जनरली देयर सो मच, सो I think they've done a fantastic job. I've not seen anything like this in India, and it makes a big difference. ये भी कितना अच्छा लग रहा है गाइस, यहाँ पूरा अपना जैसे wardrobe का दिखा रखा है, minimal setups मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, and you know something like this, like small boxes for you to store your things inside, just like putting your towels, maybe you can put your underwear, your, you know, scarves, whatever things you want over here, and just create shelving like this, and such nice minimal looking suit hanger है यार, definitely taking something like this. और प्राइस देखो, मतलब पूरी चीज़ ये 3 sectional चीज़ जो है is for only 9,700. So nice. Guys, थोड़ी सी भूख लग गई थी, तो रोहिणी and I decided to get some food, and that's the tray.
We'll just keep our trays. And let's see क्या आज select करते हैं हम खाने को.
ये देख लो, IKEA में गुलाब जामुन मिलते हैं, इसका मतलब IKEA मेरी नज़रों में पास हो गया है ऑटोमेटिकली, मतलब गुलाब जामुन इन IKEA, fantastic. Babe, what are you having? Smoked salmon?
Yeah, but I don't see that. Salmon
not available.
Oh,
Oh.
ये लो, Swedish दुकान में salmon नहीं मिल रही है. We're just paying up for food, which is quite a bit, man. Like look at this, 2 tiers of food. What's happening? रोहिणी कितना खाएगी यार?
बहुत खाएगी.
आएगी और फिर शॉपिंग करेगी. Because we are now in the second section, which is basically got like a lot of linen, lots of your you know, kitchen material and stuff also. And I'm not joking, guys. Even I'm going crazy over it क्योंकि कुछ mugs इनके हैं जो हमने लिए हैं. They are actually genuinely amazing. So we'll show you all of that which we get today. Yeah. So guys, we are enjoying ourselves thoroughly. What is your favorite part?
My favorite part is the fact that everything that I really wanted and I thought कि कहीं नहीं मिल सकता, you know, like you have a certain vision sometimes, especially if you're like, you know, a fan of like minimalistic kind of look in the room and all of that.
Yeah.
And you know what, अगर मिलता भी है, it's so like highly priced, then you feel that is it worth it?
Yeah.
But the good thing about IKEA is it looks good, it's reasonably priced and a lot of variety. Amazing, dude. And no one's making this, I mean it.
I know the quality is also pretty good, guys. I mean, हम लोग कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी देख रहे हैं, and आप लोगों ने मेरा देख रखा है रूम, कितना minimal looking room है, and everything is just to the point. Colors are not those jhatak, gold, fold, you know, all that kind of stuff. I just don't like. So minimal matte finishes, very Scandinavian. So that's exactly my aesthetic. So that's why I'm enjoying this so much. Oh my God, look at those lights. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Diya to mad. In the process, we've lost my mother.
I know. Everybody for themselves. सब लोग अपनी अपनी shopping cart लेकर के घूम रहे हैं. What you call a sign of extreme shopping, जब आपकी 2 ट्रॉलियाँ कम पड़ जाती हैं. In fact, 3 ट्रॉलीज कम पड़ जाती. So you decide to go for a very large trolley. मैं कह सकता हूँ कि और शौक मना सकता हूँ, शौक लाइक ठोको अभी के अभी, क्योंकि एबिक्स ने इतना तगड़ा वर्ड यूज़ किया हिंदी का. शौक मना सकता हूँ कि मेरे यहाँ पे फटका ज़्यादा लंबा हैवी लगने वाला है, बट IKEA प्राइसेस डालते रहो बेबी, डालते रहो, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. वेरी कूल सेक्शन. इफ यू गाइस वांट टू डू framing and everything for your room, very nice and cool looking frames. Which one do you like? Wheels like this? Let's not.
No.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Oh, it's a Brontosaurus. Lambi ladki. Guys, so obviously every now and then you bump into a celebrity in Bombay, and we got Rohit Khandelwal over here. अब अपनी credentials भी बता दे bro. Ex Mr. India और क्या क्या?
Yeah, Mr. India 2015, Mr. World 2016.
बस.
It's so nice to see you and bump into you. I've been watching your vlogs, which are amazing. For all those who have been watching, keep watching this.
एक मिनट. He's another one who said vlogs, okay?
Yeah.
ये तेरे को जोक नहीं पता है, ठीक है? But जो subscribers हैं उनको पता है 100% कि vlogs जो लोग बोलते हैं और vlogs लोग बोलते हैं, but nevertheless, vlogs is also correct. मैं Mr. India से Mr. India नहीं Mr. World Mr. India से पंगे नहीं लूँगा.
Whatever
So-
he says is right. It's vlog or vlog, but whatever it is, it's fantastic.
I'm so glad, bro. Thank you so much. And
Thank you so
क्या लिया है आपने IKEA से?
यार बहुत कुछ लिया है, हालत खराब हो चुकी है because you know IKEA is like,
Our trolley looks like peasants trolley. ये देखो. ये देखो.
3, 4. And the major part is still left: the bed, wardrobe, mirrors. So हालत टाइट हुआ है. It's like too far.
So they have a long way to go. हम लोग तो already थक रहे हैं, but good to catch up with you, bro. Yeah. And continue with shopping. Guys, look at their space on the storage front. Again मैं दिखा देता हूँ. This is the size of the storage front. ऐसी चीज़ें ना US में दिखती थी. Like
That's
if you go to Walmart or like Costco, so they used to store things like this. और आप बड़े trolleys लेकर के you could take out whatever you wanted
like
according to your
hypermarkets.
hypermarkets, exactly. वहाँ से codes वोड्स लेकर के आप वहाँ पे पहुँच जाओ, उठा लो and put it in your trolley and then get out. So guys, the good part about IKEA is that everything is so nice. It's not it's just women over here who are taking stuff for the houses and stuff. We are constantly seeing men who are equally involved और मतलब full अपनी आइडियाज़ एंड एवरीथिंग सब कुछ दे रहे हैं विमेन को एंड झगड़े भी हो रहे हैं, खूब अच्छे झगड़े भी हो रहे हैं. हाँ.
So it's like men versus women, okay? Men versus women, ये best चीज़ है. The woman, she says, oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, this lamp मुझे चाहिए. And the man is irritated and he says, we have 4 corners, 4 lights, हो गई हैं, ये कहाँ रखोगे? But it's so pretty, I want it.
I feel we have done some serious shopping today. So that our shopping cart is full and Rohini has to hold it. How do you feel after your IKEA shopping trip?
Excited, I can't wait to go and organize this and set it all up.
Giving us avocado crostinis, currently at Chin Chin. Why is this your favorite place?
Because they used to serve one of my favorite dishes, which is no more on the menu. And I'm not going to tell you what. I'm going to reserve that.
हाँ, please do.
Maybe Vamika would know.
थोड़े से sentiments hurt हो जाएंगे कुछ तो.
Exactly. इसलिए मैं zip रहूँगी.
तो guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. हम लोगों ने खूब शॉपिंग कर ली, खाना भी खा लिया and totally enjoyed our day. And I hope कि ये वाला IKEA का vlog देख करके आपको थोड़ा आइडिया आ गया होगा कि क्या क्या चीज़ें आप वहाँ से ले सकते हैं अगर आपको अपना होम रीडेकोरेट करना है या फिर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें आपको अपने घर के लिए चाहिए. डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छे प्राइसेस पे हैं. I'm not being promoted to say this. I just went there and I've always been a big fan of IKEA क्योंकि मुझे minimal और Scandinavian type of architecture and interiors बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So that's why I highly recommend. I wish ये दिल्ली में होता तो मैं तो honestly all the time I would be there. But genuinely it's a place that you must visit and appointment लेनी पड़ती है उसके लिए. So please do take that. And of course enjoy that experience. And if you guys did enjoy this vlog, then please do hit the like button, share with your friends, join the Avex fam, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay sexy, God bless, bye bye.